Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a very special Bolzano handbags unbagging, unboxing, review. I'm just so excited to share this one with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel to see what I have received in my Bolzano handbags today. If you're new to my channel, I sure hope that you will subscribe and join me for another video. And to my returning subscribers, welcome to everyone. Bolzano Handbags did send me this bag as a gift in return for an honest review for you, my viewers. And I think you're going to like this one. I'm so excited about it. Guys, this is a special edition Bolzano handbags. Bolzano handbags is exactly what it sounds like. They make purses, but the really cool thing about Bolzano handbags is they offer a subscription. And they offer several subscriptions, and all of that information is in the description box below if you want to check it out and see what the cost is. But basically, well, you could go to the website and just buy a handbag, and that's wonderful. But if you join and become a subscriber, you can get a brand new purse every single month. They also offer a quarterly subscription, or you can get a 6-month, I guess that's every other month, or an annual. Yes, 12 bags in 1 year. It's fabulous. Bolzano Handbags also offers accessories, and I love Bolzano Handbags accessories. Normally they send high quality jewelry. I'm actually wearing my Bolzano jewelry today. I wear it a lot. It tends to be beautiful, simple, and great everyday jewelry. They also will send scarves, and I did get a card holder. Lots of really unique accessories, but just recently, Bolzano Handbags offers purse companions, and that is 2 to 4 luxury cosmetic fragrance items included with your subscription for, again, just a small fee. But today is extra special, like I said. Bolzano handbags, I've always said, would make a great gift. To all the gentlemen out there that need a wonderful gift for their wife, trust me on this one, us ladies enjoy our handbags, especially the nice high quality bags we receive from Bolzano handbags. But this one, guys, this one is designed specifically for our mothers. This is the Mother's Day bag, and Bolzano has put together a subscription specifically for our mothers. Is there anyone else out there that has a difficult time shopping for their mothers? Yeah, raise your hands. I do. My mother has everything she possibly needs, and she also is quite capable of purchasing anything that she needs. So it's very, very hard to buy her a unique gift that she truly will love. Of course, everything she opens, she says how much she loves it, and then she puts it away in a closet. But the Bolzano handbag subscription is the perfect way to gift my mother. Mother's Day is May 12th, 2019, so it is just around the corner. And if you need a wonderful, unique gift for mom, I really need you to look at the Bolzano Handbag Mother's Day edition. Now, to get the Mother's Day edition, you will need to sign up for a subscription, and you can sign up for a 3-month subscription, a 6-month subscription, or a 12-month subscription. You do get a free gift by signing up for any of those subscriptions, and I'll tell you about that in a little bit. So this is how the Mother's Day bag is packaged. This is what your mother will receive with her first Bolzano handbag subscription, and yeah, it is themed with Mother's Day. All the Bolzano handbags do come in this great duster bag, which is so nice for storing and protecting our bags. And there is also this signature Bolzano bow on the dust bag, but this one is extra special. You see, we do have a card to mom. And is this a daisy? This beautiful yellow flower there. This is just such a beautiful presentation. I would love to give this to my mom. So let's see what's inside. So here is the card. And it says, Happy Mother's Day just for you, a special gift that brings a smile and reminds you how special you are each month. And it's signed by Bolzano. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at how nice and full this bag is. This looks like such a nice surprise. Okay, let's start with the bag. Check this out, guys. This is about a medium-sized tote bag, and it is in the color gold, a metallic gold color. I have shoes that are going to style so nicely with this bag, and this is a super soft leather, and it is perforated. You can see that. This did come a little bit wrinkled through shipping, and normally I will just stuff my bags and let them hang if they lose their shape, and that helps them to go back into their original shape. We do have some hardware, gold hardware here on the sides and on this side, and there's also a strap here. I guess you could hook your keys or your key fob onto that. And this is the back of the bag. It's plain, but we do have the Bolzano name right there, and the bottom of the bag, it does have gold feet. I always appreciate that. We do have a magnetic, can we get it? Magnetic closure there. The inside of the bag is a big bucket. Let me take another surprise. Let me take that out so you can see the inside of the bag. This is what the bag looks like. There are no pockets on this bag. This is just a big bucket. And this is the strap. Okay, here is the handle, and check out how nice and thick this handle is, and super soft and pliable. So the strap is not adjustable, but look how nice and thick that is to wear over your shoulder. And of course, I would have it on my arm a lot of the time. But inside the bag is the crossbody strap, and this one is actually adjustable. So this is what the bag looks like with the very long crossbody. So yeah, the strap will make it very nice for hands-free shopping. The strap was enclosed inside this nice like beige colored bag. This is like a canvas type bag. It does have the same leather on it as the purse is constructed from. And on the inside, this is where we have our bag with our pockets and the card pockets. So anything that you really need to keep secure, you would put in this and place this inside your bag. Perfect! I like that this is removable if I do want to use my tote simply for shopping and I don't need to carry this with me. Fabulous idea, Bolzano handbags. Moving on to accessories. I believe this is an accessory, and this comes in a black Bolzano duster bag, and there's also a really cute card on it, and it says, "Your superhero cape has to be stylish." Isn't that great for mom? Let's open this up. Inside we have a scarf. Isn't this beautiful? This feels like a silk scarf, but it does have that sateen finish on it. And look at those fabulous colors. There is just a beige color, red, a light blue. This is a navy blue, a little mustard in there. This is absolutely beautiful. Now with these gold tones in this scarf, this would be a fabulous scarf to tie around your purse. I like to do that, tie a scarf around my purse, because I will use a scarf, especially in the winter, to wrap around my shoulders when I get cold, and a silk scarf is the perfect weight for that. But yeah, you can also wear this with an outfit. This is beautiful. Wow, what a nice accessory. But wait, there is more. Look at this. Look at this beautiful sateen bag. That is absolutely adorable. And inside, I am familiar with this. This is the jewelry that comes from Bolzano handbags. And then we have the card. This is what the jewelry looks like. It's always packaged so beautifully. Look at this, guys. This is a bracelet. Isn't that fabulous? I love this. I cannot wait for my mother to receive this. Let's see. It is an adjustable bracelet, so it should fit every mother. So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I love it. And that's what the back looks like. Very similar to like a watch band or an old school watch band. I love this. This is, oh look, and the ring moves. Mom moves around a little bit. Okay, next up we have some jewelry, and this is a necklace, and this is a silver tone necklace. And let me move that just a bit. Can you see that? Yeah, it does say mom on it. So it's very simple, very subtle, a silver tone chain with a ring, and the ring is inscribed with mom. Okay, I believe this is the Purse Companions, and this also has a really cute card on it. It says, if moms were flowers, I'd pick you. And I love this little cosmetic bag. It's really cute, and we have goodies inside. Okay, the first thing we have are silicone socks. This says the silicone foot socks not only keep moisture, but also have a great antimicrobial effect. Enjoy soft and beautiful skin. Well, and there's the instructions on how to use these. So okay, next up we have a sample size of L'Oreal Nude Magic BB Concealer. Okay, I'm willing to try anything once. Okay, that looks, you guys, I'm not a makeup girl, but I'll play with this. Let's see. Oh, that just disappeared. And the last purse companion is this body butter. This is from The Body Shop. This is Shea, and look how little that is. I mean, this is actually the perfect size to carry in my handbag, and I am always looking for a lotion because my skin gets drier and drier every day. Let's see how this one smells. This is Shea. You know what? This one is very lightly scented. It's very clean and lightly scented, which is actually perfect for my mother because she's very sensitive to smell. And you know what? I am too. The older I get, the more sensitive I get. So this is actually a very nice option for me and especially for my mother. Okay, just to highlight the cosmetic bag a little bit more, it is that sateen finish bag, and look what's inside. Yes, there's a mirror there. That is really nice. And of course, there's compartments to store lipsticks, any makeup that you might carry. This is also really nice to go in my handbag. I think everything is going to fit very nicely into my new tote bag. Okay, here is what my bag looks like when I wear it crossbody style. This bag is called the Aurora Bag, and it just debuted in a midnight gray. It is also available in white and poppy red. So one of the cool things about Bolzano handbags, if your bag arrives and it is not your preferred style at all, you can exchange it. Bolzano works very hard to make sure that they send you bags that fit your lifestyle and your style profile. So yeah, you can exchange a product that you are not happy with, but this is how my bag looks. Wow, I like this slouchy style, and I did tie my scarf onto it. That pop of color, isn't it pretty? Oh, check it out. Here's my shoes. These are my metallic gold laser cut sandals that match the laser cut bag so beautifully. I love this. Let me show you the jewelry. Here is the necklace on. And it does have a long extender on it. So this is bound to fit every single mom's neck out there. Here is the bracelet on me. Again, do I wear it the other direction so that I can read it, or this direction so other people can read it? I like that this is the mix. Yeah, see, now it says, oh, wow, or mom. Yeah, I'm going to leave it this way. So when I look at it, it says, wow. But yeah, I like this mixed metal here. And this is just a lovely bracelet. Here you have it. And let me show you the way that I would normally carry this bag. I would carry it just like this without the crossbody strap most of the time, because this is my preferred comfort level. And this is how it looks if I was just holding it. But yeah, oh, this is so nice. The quality is really here. Breaking down the prices on this Mother's Day subscription to get your mom a handbag, the accessories, and the purse companions, it's about $43 and some change for every single bag your mother receives. A 3-month subscription for mom is only $129, and that first Mother's Day package will come with all the special Mother's Day packaging, perfect for mom. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about this bag and all of the accessories and purse companions I received this month. If you sign up for any subscription right now, you will get a free leather wallet. Yes, free. I'll leave all the information to get your wallet in the description box below. I can't wait to hear your comments and see what you think about my newest Bolzano handbag. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? I can't wait to see you again. Blessings to all of you.